Okay, today we are in the kitchen of Adlin Natty, and what is she doing today? I think she is doing some big fat clams, which we call in Konkani as hube or hublio. So this is how she is actually opening it up. So she has opened the shell, and they're quite fleshy. She's washing them. They have a lot of mud inside. This is found on Agasain beach. We might have a trip to Agasain beach one day and show you how they have been caught. So Adeline is here in the kitchen. She's trying her best in opening up this clams, and the result is here. Big fat clams which are opened half. And we're going to show you how we're going to make it today. So if we can upload the recipe. Cheers. So friends, we have our hube, the giant clams, marinated in our Goan spice Recheado masala, and we'll allow it to marinate for about 15-20 minutes. And then we'll have them rava fried. So we see the clams nicely marinating over here in our Recheado masala. Let it marinate. Friends, we are going to apply rava to our clams because we're going to fry them, pan fry them, shallow frying. So we will the marinated clams, we are going to apply rava and we are going to fry them. So friends, we have the clams going in the pan, shallow frying, medium flame. So friends, we have our clams frying in a pan, shallow frying with some oil, medium flame, and we'll allow it to cook for about 5 minutes, and our clam should be ready. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present our own Goan clam masala rava fry. Take a look at this. Try this recipe at home. If you're not going to regret it, but do it in this way. And put a like on our channel. If you like it, put a like. It's an amazing dish. Enjoy, share it with your friends, and see you soon in our next video.